Sunday morning after the blizzard of 2016. Jake's been out for over an hour. Dylan just got out, exploring the depth of officially 20 inches. Our patio is covered. Our snow blower is broken, but Gary and I worked together to shovel. And Jeff just came by to clear out the mailbox and the end, a little bit of the end of the driveway. Let's go check out what the boys are up to. Sorry, it's a little wobbly. Did I mention there's 20 inches of snow? Hey Jake, what are you guys up to? Taking some video. You guys gonna go down the slide? Go for it, Dill. Let's see it, Dill. You're like a human snowplow, Dill. Okay, Jake. Woo! So what do you think about 20 inches? Great. Dylan, what do you think of all this snow? Good, huh? You just relaxing over there? Yeah. Yeah, I lost the bottom of my legs, didn't I? What's up, Jake? What are you doing?
I'm playing. Jake, wait for me.
You could see the snowdrift on the roof of our garage there, still holding steady.